How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is the OtriFowd Tesla Model 3 trunk side organizer. It goes in this way. It has a little handle for you to pull open the lid, and the little handle is held together by a screw. It's somewhat deformable and it pops right out if you push it. Normally, if you get dirt in there, you gotta take your vacuum cleaner and clean it out. My Caddy is actually pretty dirty at the bottom. Pretty easy install. Plop it in. It fits perfectly, and you have the cover. Goes over there. The shade is slightly darker, the back matches it a little bit better, and the top is a little bit fuzzier than the material around it. Other trunk side storage bins doesn't have this little hook for easy removal, and other side storage bins do not have this liner, so you can just pull it out and dump it out to clean it. Overall, it just gives it a more finished look. And then when you go and store stuff, it won't fall inside that hole. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.